Hi folks, Ben with The Real Seal here. One of the most asked questions that we hear is, what is the best way to seal my foundation? Now the answer to that is it very much depends on where the water's coming from. There are three main areas. The first would be up through the floor, through any cracks in the floor or the cove joint where the floor meets the wall. The second would be through the wall itself, either through a foundation crack or possibly through where a pipe is going through a wall. And then the third would be over the top of the foundation. Now, each of these issues does have a very specific repair to it, so depending on what's going on, each one will be tailored specifically to your needs. If you're seeing over the top foundation, that can be caused by either the grade of the land outside being too high above the foundation top. Issues with tuck pointing in bricks or seals around door frames and windows can also contribute to these issues and cause water to come over from the top of the foundation. Typically in the walls, you'll see foundation cracks. A great way to seal these is you can repair them either from the interior or the exterior through epoxy injection on the interior, or you can excavate on the exterior and seal the wall from the outside, and this will prevent any water from moving through those areas. Finally, if you're seeing water through the floor, then a drain tile system is going to be the best solution. Now that will lead to a sump pump and a sump pit, and that pump will allow that tile to drain the water safely into the pit and then pump that water safely away from the home. You can also do wall systems, so if you're seeing issues through the floor and through the wall, you can do a drain tile with a wall liner on it, and then that will take care of it and will be very much a one and done solution without you ever have to worry about it again. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at The Real Seal, where not everything's better when wet.